Hi guys. Stop. Stop, Virgin. Stop. Oh my God, this is flight. Not on snow. Ah! So cold.
Oh my goodness, the snow look like 4 inches. Look at that. There's RJ. It's windy. Wow, a lot of snow, RJ. See RJ, a lot of snow. See that? Look at RJ, the snow. Have a lot. Look at this snowing to RJ. Nothing. Uh-oh, maybe have no mailman. Yeah. Look at this, the snow. Have a lot of snow. My snowman. Still alive, my snowman, RJ. Look at this snow. Here, oh no. Oh, so cold, RJ. Okay, let's shovel now. Okay, guys, this is the snow in the driveway. We're going to shovel now. Have a lot of snow to shovel. Here's RJ.
Hi guys. Stop. Stop, Virgin. Stop. Oh my God, this is flight. It's okay. We can still drive it. No, it's okay. It's okay. Daddy. Not slippery. Not on snow. Ah! So cold. I can't go.
Brush. Oh, it's so windy. Whoop. Save that snow last night, honey. What? Ah, you crushed me. Halo ice cream.
Phone out again. This is becoming cool.
And here guys, already done shoveling. Have 3 to 4 inches. The snow. It's slippery.
Stop it now.
Oh no. It's so slippery, RJ. Look like you're skating now. You're skating. There he is. There's my snow still alive. I make a snowman. There he is. So cold. At least guys, the snow here a lot. Whew. Is that Archie what you doing in your scooter? Stick in the scooter. Careful.
Oh, it's cool.
There's RJ. Oh, there's
The snow got
the snow we got, RJ. And the snowman there. There we go now. You go inside now, RJ. Say RJ bye-bye. RJ say bye-bye. Okay guys, that's it for today. And see you next time. So cold here. We go inside now. Bye.